This piece is very deeply pitted. See, I started grinding this end of it. I was going to put rust converter on it, but look at how deep. Finally back to work on the package tray. So either I do a 5-foot long butt weld, or a lap weld, and I could just weld it on the underside and just leave this look like this. Probably not going to show anyway after I put the glass in. So I wanted to work on some of these dents, especially this panel here at the front of the bed of the Camino. And I'll be using the hammer and dolly. That's just a shadow there, that's not a crease. Plenty of dents work though. And then the top, I started trying that sander out on the top, and I was able to adjust it so the contour is the other way. See? And make it match the top. See, this didn't get sandblasted because it would have warped it. And I've been cleaning my gun on it and test spraying the red for the Jeep on it, and because it all needs to be stripped. Some of these spots, the rust is just harder than other spots, not necessarily a low spot. That one was a low spot. And this is a low spot, but see that? If it is low, I can't really feel it. Okay, maybe I can. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not perfect. The brace is running right through here. Brace is not touching, but it is in the way. So now it feels like either this is high, this is low, or both. But that feels pretty good. Still just going that one same direction for now. That's just a little low right there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that. No. I might be able to wedge something up in between the brace and the roof and then use the slapper around it. Bring it up. Maybe the comma dolly. Wire right there.